We are currently looking to recruit a mobile smart repairer to fill a unique opportunity with a car dealership group in the South Yorkshire area. Our client is looking for someone with a level 3 in body shop repair, prior smart repair experience. The flexibility to travel to multiple sites is required. The ideal candidate must have a UK driving licence to be considered for this role. This company has multiple sites across South Yorkshire, and the candidate will be working between every site, ensuring a varied work day. My client offers a competitive salary with a company van. Interviews will be based at their Doncaster branch, so please get in touch today to seize this opportunity that is not to be missed. If you know someone who may be suitable for this role, please contact Kieran on 01143 996 945. Or you can forward their details on to us, and we could pay you up to £100 in vouchers if they are successful in securing a new job.